Hello folks, welcome back. Now our Maven system is up and running. Let's connect to this system. To connect to this system, we need a tool called Mobile Exterm or Putty, and according to your convenient, you can use anything. In my case, I'm going to use the Mobile Exterm. For that, we should take the public IP. So this is the public IP. You can just need to copy it. Sorry, by mistakenly I have copied private, but this is the public IP. So I have taken public IP. Go to your mobile exterm. So you need to download and install the mobile exterm, or else putty also you can use. So go to sessions. I'm giving the IP address and go to advanced SSH settings. Here you should use private key and you need to go to the path where your Maven key is downloaded. Let me open this one. Okay, so here we have the key. This is the path where we have kept our key. Go to this location and load the key path location like quick access, downloads, Maven, and your key pair. That's it. And default username is EC2 minus user. All right, we are connecting to our Maven system. Let me see the security group. Maybe security group could be the issue. So go to security group. Okay, it looks good for me. Yeah, we have connected to the system. Okay, nothing to change. Just it took little bit of time. And become a root user. To become a root user, use the sudo su minus. This is the command and clear the screen. Now it's time to set up Maven. For that one, we need to go to the Apache official website and download the packages. Let's do that. So I'm just opening the new tab. If you search for download Maven, then you can see Maven, download Apache Maven, from where we can download Apache Maven. And if you open the link, you can see system requirements. What is the minimum requirement of your system? So we should have the JDK installed. That is one thing we need to make sure. And there is no memory requirement, and the disk space is approximately 10 MB is fine, and even operating system there is no minimum requirement. Next thing, these are the links how you can download your Maven. So we are going to use the tar.gz archive. This is the one we are going to use. So you just need to right click and copy link address to download it. Before doing that one, anyway we have connected to our system, right? Let's install Java first. For that one, just go here and Java. Since it got disconnected, let me open the new tab. Okay, again same thing we need to do, sudo su minus, and increase the font size, not this much, and I'm closing the previous session. And here clear the screen. I'm going to check whether Java is there or not. Java minus v, there is no Java installed, so let's install Java. Yum install java minus 1.8 star. Okay, this is to install the latest version, which means that the packages which starts with java minus 1.8, install those packages. Yes to install. It may take a while. Let's wait until it gets complete. Great, Java installation is completed. Just check for Java minus version. Okay, here we can see Java 1.8. Now we need to set up Java home path. For that we need to update our dot profile and we should add the Java home path. How can I check the Java home path? It is quite simple. Here we are going to execute this command. I'm going to add this command in the documentation anyway. This means that the file which starts with java minus 1.8, after that it could be anything. So in this directory, wherever it finds, display those. And we are displaying only top 3. That's it. So among this is the one we need to set up the Java home path. For that one, just we need to edit va tilde slash bash underscore profile. So we are going to update the bash profile of the root user. And the next thing, we need to add java underscore home is equal to path of the JDK. That's it. Once you have done this, you need to add this one to your path, dollar java underscore home. Okay, so what we are doing is we have installed Java. Once that is done, we need to set up Java home path. So we have given this is where the JDK is installed. That is what we are telling to our path. All right, now save this file, and if I do echo dollar path, you cannot able to see the updated path yet, but you can do source of the our bash underscore profile, which means that read the file. And now if I do the echo path, we could able to see the latest path. All right, so which means that our Java installation is successful. In next video, I'm going to show you how to set up Maven. Thanks for watching and see you there.